Oh shit, spacebar is dead.
What happened?
Oh! That touchscreen. Okay, well, now it's working. Well, sad news on this keyboard here. You see, if I stick this down in the spring here and jiggly jiggly, that works. But you know what doesn't work? Space is completely dead. IBM Model M, my trusty Model M, is finally dead. Same way that one died. Water.
TV and TV of them. Then again, here in White Powder County, most people are still using CRTs.
Well, I figured out... Wait, is that my space button there? If that's my space bar, I figured out what's going on here. I might be able to save this.
About 15 seconds and then it looks beautiful.
Hey Malachi, this is the most insanely well-built membrane keyboard I've ever seen, and this is the first time I actually think I might be able to fix a damaged membrane. Like, I think I can actually clean this corrosion off and get it going. What?
What was wrong with it? A little bit of corrosion?
Yep, between the contacts, and I was able to peel the layers apart, and holy shit. The layers of plastic between this Model M, compared to the newer ones, they're in 3 plastic layers. One layer of this is thicker than the 3 plastic layers you'd normally see. It's like fucking business cards.
It either has a video card or it doesn't, and it has on board, which is fine.
So I used rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip, and then I used contact cleaner in a Q-tip, and she's looking a lot better now. It might actually contact. What? Okay. What? Oh! Oh my god, it works! It works when I'm not even touching it, it works so good!
The fuck are you doing?
Whoa! Oh!
You need to quit getting cracked on Smurfs.
That keyboard on that wall works, but this rubber mat was bad at it. And this keyboard was given to me to put this rubber mat in that keyboard. And I'm like, this is actually a nicer keyboard, and still is, but I'm going to have to bolt mod this thing to make it work, because Malachi is a fucking...
Motherfucker, I know you're gay. You can suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
So anyways, lesson learned, YouTube folks. When you're drinking water around your keyboards, I guess you just need to steal the fucking neighbor kid's sippy cup, so...
He spilled vodka on it because he was drunk.
If I spilled vodka on it, the keyboard would be perfectly happy because it's mostly alcohol.
YouTube, don't listen to this man. He's retarded.
This isn't even full of tea. This is full of water. Watch.
YouTube, don't listen to this man. He eats Trinitrons for dinner.
I am trying to Tron.
He throws power supplies in his toilet out of nowhere.
Well, I have the new electric smart toilet that you have to pay a monthly fee to flush by Kohler is actually a product, by the way.
He gave his autistic friend a gun and said to shoot it at the wall because it was funny.
Oh, my nuts!
Whoa!
Fuck, I did do that, didn't I?
Yes, you did. My gateway system. You're thinking 500 megahertz pinging first. Dead stable. New install Windows.
How dare you?
He's here. If I come to visit you and he's there, I'll just be like, what's up, dude? I'll play some fucking Minecraft, because this motherfucker ain't gonna play with me.
Goddamn right.
Rocky, I'm commandeering your Trinitron.
All right, and I'll play a 2-dimensional clone of Minecraft on touchscreen. Oh, that didn't stick very well.
I know something that can stick very well.
This this keyboard died on me because I like to spill drinks all over my keyboard like this, and this one is kind of hard to replace because it's from 1985 and still talks to a modern PC. So I've spent the past like probably 3 hours, maybe 4, repairing it, and I got it where everything on it works. The 5 key is a little screwy, and I can't get it to loosen up, but how often do I use number pad 5? No, it functions, it just doesn't feel good. Actually, does that key work? That key looks a little screwy. That spring isn't sitting in the right spot. And it feels like it's working, it just feels bad. So I screwed up the number pad a little. Yep. The number pad's all screwed up, but these two are really bad. Arrows aren't great either. They feel as fucked up as they sound. Luckily, all the typing feels good. The bigger keys are sticking. This did not work well as a lubricant. Screwdriver kit, my custom designed handle. So yeah, screw whatever the hell other people recommend. These things are awesome. I got a Tractor Supply on sale. But you needed a bigger handled bit, so I just 3D printed my own. I do not have the STL anymore, but it wouldn't be hard for me to make another one. I just haven't needed to. Oh wait, yeah, it would. I don't have a running PC right now. Properly running. In fact, I accidentally wiped out my 12 terabyte hard drive. It's clean. Too clean. We'll do a test here in Linux in a little bit. Ugh, it looks fucking great. That's annoying. Alright, let's try it. That is incredibly annoying. Why? What if I remove this key it? Alright. Even though it's probably not going to do nothing, let's just make sure she's all good and lubricated. All cleaned and contacted. Why? What the fuck? Damn it! That is the biggest hassle with these damn keyboards, is they do be getting like this. Alright, so if I... The spring is resting in an upward position, and I think it should be resting over here. Yeah. Ouch! No, we're not. That might actually work itself out. This thing was weird about repeating W before, I think. It's that damn rubber mat. You have to have it, but it makes these things finicky when they get old. And I took it out and put it back in, so now it's got all kinds of wrinkles and stuff in it. I'm telling you, it's that rubber mat. It's the downfall of these damn things. But let's see if I can do this. Okay. Alright, wait, hold a second. Oh my god! Where's the P? Where's my P? I need my P. What? I can't. You tell me I don't have a P? Are you fucking dicking me, Dick? What the fick? I don't want to take this goddamn thing apart again. I will have to absolutely bolt mod this thing if I take it apart again. Yeah, the Model F is so much better to work on and longevity. I wouldn't even be taking this thing apart if it was a Model F right now. Yep, P's dead. Why is P dead? Why is P dead? Press, you bastard, press. Yeah, it's in here correctly. It's got all kinds of ability to flap around. But P is not registered. What if any other keys are dead? Yeah, the sketchiest number pad. Wait, okay. 7 doesn't work. 1 doesn't work. Okay, I wonder if one of the connectors inside the board isn't. I can't. Oh my god. Does H. Okay. Oh. Holy crap.